In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration options available on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down to access Sound section. In it, tap on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then scroll down just a bit and tap on the shortcut to prevent ringing. Over here, you can set up Vibrate by clicking on it. When you're ready, go back and tap on Advanced at the bottom. Now scroll down again and click on this switcher next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to turn on or off this feature. Last but not least, click on this switcher next to Touch Vibration to enable or disable haptic feedback for taps, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!